Hey, it's Ari here. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very great strategy on how you could start making upwards of $100 to $200 a day online from complete scratch if you have no money and you're looking for a great way to start getting some extra money on the side, or maybe you're looking to potentially get up to a full-time income online. This video is going to show you a great way on how you could start getting into the money if you have absolutely nothing to invest and you're just looking for something simple that you could start. So this is pretty much going to be a, what you'll be doing here is you'll pretty much be typing, or the little hack at the end, I'm going to be showing you a way on how you could actually do this much faster. But the number one thing that you will need to have before you do this is you must have a PayPal account. If you do not have a PayPal account, you could just create one. It's completely free to create. You just go to paypal.com and you create a free PayPal account. But if you are unable to create a PayPal account for whatever reason, this may not be for you. But anyways, if this is the first video you are watching on my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video so you can get notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. I talk primarily about affiliate marketing, growing a business online, different ways of making money online. And if that's the thing that interests you and you want to learn more about that, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can learn more about the content that I post on here. But anyways, with all that out of the way, let's get right into the strategy. So the website that I'm going to be showing you here is called textbroker.com, and this is a site that companies, bloggers, big companies and bloggers, they go to hire writers to create content for them. So assuming that a lot of them are busy, they got other things that they got to worry about. A lot of them, they want to continue posting content, but if they don't have time to do so, they would consider hiring a writer where someone would write articles for them and then they pay them to do so. So that's where they would come. They would come to this site. There's other sites that you could of course go to as well to hire writers, but TextBroker is the one that I'm showing in this video, and they could of course request like articles here, and like pretty much kind of talks about what the site's about. But if you are coming to the site and you are looking to make money, of course you would go to the option right here that says I write content. So you could just click on that, and this will take you to the page where it talks about the benefit of working with TextBroker, and talks about gives you access to thousands of projects to turn your writing skills into cash. It's free to sign up, so you can just click this button, you fill out some basic information, and you follow the steps, and you can pretty much get started with writing on TextBroker. And as you can see here, they've also worked with tons of other big companies: Yoast, Staples, eBay, Searchmetrics, Auto, iProspect, whole bunch of big name companies. And then if you need further information, talks about why write for them, free of charge, flexible time management. The benefit with this is that you could actually work on your own time, so you aren't fully scheduled. You're not required to work a specific amount of hours each week. You don't have to start working at a particular time and work however many hours. With this, you could actually work whenever you want. So it's pretty much you're pretty much your own boss with this kind of thing. So you could either do this on the side, or maybe you consider doing it if you don't have a job currently and you're looking for ways to make money. This is something that you could of course do on your own time, which I really like about that. And then it talks about whether you are a beginner or experienced professional, TextBroker has the right project for every author. Then they also talk about payment. They pay through PayPal primarily. I believe that's their only payment method. So as I mentioned, you do need a PayPal account for this, but as long as you have that, which assuming that you do, you could pretty much do this. And then what else do I want to show here? Okay, right. So that pretty much talks about why write for TextBroker. If I go to payment here, this will give you an idea of what they pay, for their pay rate. So if I scroll down here, they pay based on quality rating. So it shows here, if you are a 2-star writer, you would get 0.7 cents a word. So that is per word that you're getting paid, not per article. It's per word. And then 3-star gets you 1 cent per word. 4 stars gets you 1.4 cents a word, and then if you're a 5-star writer, you'd get 5 cents a word. So ideally, if you're doing this, your goal should be to, get up to the 5-star rating so that you could, of course, make the most amount of money for the same amount of work. That should ultimately be your goal and as you continue doing this, of course, you will get better over time. You may not be the best when you're first getting started, but as long as you do this consistently and you decide to fully commit to this, you will eventually get better. So that's really the nice thing about this, is that it incentivizes you to, of course, get better. And even if you have like a blog of your own and you're putting out lots of content, you want to build up a blog, this is actually good practice to get better when it comes to writing content. So if writing is something that you enjoy, you can consider signing up for TextBroker and writing articles. The other thing I want to show here is they have a little a spot here where you can, of course, calculate your open order earnings. So, for instance, if I go to like 4-star ratings, it would show 1,000 words would get me about $14. 180 words would get me $2.52. Not much. If I write, say like 4,000 words, that would get me about $56, which is pretty decent if you could write that amount in a day if you are a fast typer. But definitely be sure to stick around a bit further in the video, because I'm going to be showing you a cool little hack that you could use to actually write 4,000 words actually fairly quickly. So even if you aren't a fast typer, I'm going to be showing a great strategy that you could use to type very fast. So definitely be sure to stick around later in the video. But if I'm a 5-star writer and I write 4,000 words, that would get me $200 per article. Considering that the article is about 4,000 words, it would get about $200. So that is pretty good. If you could do that in a single day, that would be $200 every single day. So that's really nice about TextBroker. And as I mentioned, ultimately your goal with this is that you want to become a 5-star writer. You want to really do your best to become the best, at writing content. And as long as you do this consistently, you will continue to get to improve, and then eventually you will get to this rating here, where you can, of course, get paid a lot more. So that's really the what TextBroker is all about. And I think I pretty much went over everything with TextBroker, but now I want to show you the cool little hack that you could actually use to write lots of content very quickly. So this is actually something that you could do. So what you will need here is actually a Google Drive, assuming that you have that. I'll actually go into that, so I'll go to My Drive right here. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to open up a Google Docs. So I'll actually log into that right now. And I'm actually going to start a new Google Doc just to kind of show you exactly how this works. I'm going to click the New button, and then I'm going to wait for it to load up. It should have the Google Docs option. Google Docs, I'm just going to start that. It's going to let me start a blank Google Doc article here. And essentially what you could do is you could just type in, your article here. Otherwise, the cool little hack that I want to share here is that Google Docs actually has a feature where you could actually do voice typing. So what you could do is you can go to, I think it's in Tools. You click this and you click on voice typing. You could also press Control-Shift+S, and that'll bring up the this option here where you could just click that and you can just speak. And then it'll just write out the amount of words that you've got. So I'm actually going to do a demonstration of this on video just so you can get kind of a good idea of how this works. I'm going to click the Click to Speak button, and then I'm going to start speaking my my article, just as an example. So I'm going to click it. Hey, it's Ari. Welcome back to another blog post on my new website, ariortiz.com. If this is the first blog post you are seeing on this website, be sure to enter your name and email into my list so you can be notified of all the new articles that I post on this website. It's loading a bit. Alright. Okay, wait. You could say period and a new line. Oh yeah. Let me try that for a minute. Period, new line, new line. So that's actually pretty cool, actually. You could type very quickly just by speaking, actually. And just out of curiosity, I want to see how many words I just wrote. So that was like about, what was that, like 10 seconds or something like that I spoke all that or something. On my ryourkeys.com is what it said my website was. That's not even close to well, not even close. I said ariortiz.com, not anyway, whatever. So I actually want to go to tools. We'll do word count. So how many words did I write? I wrote 64 words, and I want to see how much I made with 64 words. So if I go to I write content, I wrote 64 words. Okay, well, the minimum I can check here is like 100 words here, but let's speak some more actually. In this blog post, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online through YouTube. If that's something that interests you and you want to learn more ways of how to make money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Period, new line, new line. New line. New line. Alright, so how many words is this? Let me see. Word count. That was 109 words. Okay, so that maybe took about, not maybe like 2 minutes at the most. And in 2 minutes, I made $5. That's actually pretty good. I just got started. I just started writing. I don't know if I'm maybe 5-star quality yet. Since I spoke this, the grammar may not be the best, but of course you could go through it. You could correct any errors that show up. You could maybe edit it yourself, or you can go to a site like I think Grammarly.com. I think it's Grammarly.com, and you could actually get your article. Free writing assistant. You could actually get your article fixed up here if you want. I think this. Oh yeah, it is a free writing assistant here. So added Chrome, it's free, and that'll help you correct any errors that are in that. And then you could, of course, create your article here, speak it, do it fairly quickly, and then you could submit it into TextBroker. So that is the strategy that I wanted to share. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit. Also be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know if you found this helpful, and if you plan on actually trying this for yourself. I'd really be interested to know. But anyways, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn how you can build a long-term business online, if you want something that will support you long-term, and you want to learn how to promote products online through affiliate marketing, or maybe you're looking to get into network marketing as well, or CPA marketing. If you're looking to build a business online and you want to learn how to pretty much sell anything or promote anything, the first link in the description will get you access to my free training that I put together. And that's pretty much just going to go over the 4 main components you must have in place in order to really build a long-term business online. So be sure to check that out there. Check out that free training. Watch the 4 videos. Anyways, take care.